You've just exposed your strength like that. Do you have any idea how much trouble that's going to cause?
She was hurt bad. The mech was wrecked and Neuralink was down. No way she saw it was me.
What makes you so sure? What if a surveillance satellite was aimed right at this sector?
These days, there's a gap between naturals and modifieds. A gap nobody can cross.
If they find out a natural like you can pilot a mech, the modifieds will come after you.
You can't show your real power. Not ever.
Sorry, Master. I acted too rashly. It's just the symbol on her mech looked really familiar, like I've seen it somewhere. This is...
Back when you were left in the incubation pod, this was with you. Go find them.
Orion, you've already surpassed me. It's time for you to leave. I really thought I could lead all of humanity into the future. But I learned the hard way. Greed and fear. That's just what humans are. Get out of the way! Consumed by body modification and genetic optimization. They forgot. It was human will and effort conquered the stars.
You saved me.
Come on, I'm just a salvage driver. No way I can take on a space beast. I just pulled you into the pod, that's all. You okay?
Yeah, it's just... You have my mother's eyes.
Your mech's toast. If you don't mind, I can give you a lift.
Thank you.
Orion, I hope you go on to do even bigger things.
My family. Could they be here?
Sir, ma'am, Miss Solari's back.
A natural.
What happened? I owe my life to Orion. Without him, I wouldn't have made it back from the hive attack.
Thank you for saving Lyra. The Solari family owes you. Anything you need, just ask. We'll do whatever we can.
I came all the way to Sky Prime just to find my family.
Sweetie, I made these just for you, one for each of us. Wear it, like Mommy's always be with you.
Drake, what the hell are you doing?
Test came back. Genetic defect. Can't be modified. He's gonna be a natural for life. He'll never pilot a mech. Trash like him doesn't deserve the Solari name.
No, Drake, please! Please don't leave him out there! We can figure this out! I know we can!
Keeping him would only bring disgrace to our family. Better he drifts out there alone. At least we keep some dignity.
Orion!
You saved Lyra and have our thanks. You're welcome to stay here for a few days. We'll do our best to help you find your family.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
This way, please.
They reacted so oddly to my ring, especially the lady. Does she know it? Does she know who I am?
Why'd you stop me? You saw that ring too! He's our son! Mother, what are you talking about? Orion, he's my long-lost brother?
But he's a filthy natural. How could he possibly be the heir?
But he's my brother! Your son!
The Solari family needs outstanding mech pilots. Real warriors! Not a worthless salvage driver!
But...
All right. If you insist on claiming him, go ahead. But be clear. Once he's part of us, he must take on the family's duty, fighting the hive. You really think he could survive on the battlefield? For how long?
AI assist up to 80%. Dodge the monster's attacks. Damn it, damn it! AI assist up to 90%.
95%! No!
Failed.
That's Master's mech. The Colossus? Failed again. How the hell are we supposed to beat this thing? We give it our all and it still takes minutes. 25 seconds? Impossible. No way the top record is real. How could anyone pulls that off?
That record was set by the first Star Union Chairman's mech, the Colossus. Your battle plans are fine, but you just keep missing your chance in the fights.
And who can nail that timing every single time? Even the AI can't figure out the right moment. You guys rely too much on AI. What the hell? You, an unmodified natural, trying to instruct us? Dude, this is a mech combat sim. Even modified pilots can't break that record. How dare you? You ever pilot a mech? Ever seen a real mech core? Oh wait, you naturals dust them off and change the oil. That's probably the closest you've ever been. Is it really that hard? Damn it. My data pad.
Challenge countdown. 3, 2, 1. Challenge completed. New number 1 updated. Current best time, 3.1415926 seconds.
What? Come in. Madam?
I had a few things selected for you. Not sure if you'll like them. Here, take a look.
These are all accessories with energy shields. Every single one is crazy expensive.
The Hive has been testing our borders. A full invasion is coming. Sky Prime is the core of humanity's defense. We, the Solarius, must hold the line, whatever it takes.
If the main Hive forces launch a full-scale assault, just our family's mech units may not be enough.
This is a training ground, not a zoo. What happened?
No way. Someone actually broke the first Star Union chairman's record? If someone can break the strongest human record, that means this one is even stronger than our first chairman. With such strength on our side, who cares if the Hive comes in full force?
Exactly! With someone that strong, the Hive is nothing!
Too bad the cameras didn't catch him. All they got was a natural.
But come on, no way that's him, right?
These are too valuable. I can't take them.
Just take it. Things out there are crazy right now. This will keep you safe. If you need anything at the estate, just let me know. All those years on the junk planet, were you okay? How were you doing? Did you ever go cold or hungry? Did anyone ever hurt you?
Just fine. An old man took me in, taught me a lot. But I couldn't stop thinking about my family, that's why I came. I just want to ask them, why brought me into this world only to abandon me?
No mother would ever abandon her child. Never. She must have been searching for you all these years, every moment, every second.
If they had no choice back then, I won't blame them.
Orion, actually, I am.
you gonna say?
The Hive is here. I can't drag him into this war. Nothing. There's a warp button in there. Coordinates are all set before they lock down the port. Just go. What's the situation?
We're screwed. The main Hive forces are over 100 times ours. And there's a leader-class unit behind those rifts. Still hasn't shown itself.
Orion, why are you still here?
Remember this voice? Back then, your Star Union leader slaughtered countless of my kind, almost killed me too. But now, he's gone. You're fucking finished.
What do you want?
Every one of us belongs to the Hive Mother. She's tired of losing her children.
So here's the deal. We're throwing you a bone.
You humans are best at making deals, aren't you? So let's make one. One that decides whether your Dithitl species lives or gets wiped out.
What deal?
You choose your elites. We pick our best. One-on-one. Fight to the death. One victory. 10 years of peace. 2 wins. 53. And we shall never trespass into human space again.
And if we lose?
Each loss, you give up a star zone. First loss, all the resource planets around Sky Prime. Second loss, Sky Prime itself. Third loss, I want humans wiped out forever from this universe!
What do we do? Miss Solari's still hurt. Who else can fight?
No one? Fine. Then we choose for you.
The Solari family. Lynn Solari answers your call.
The side of this bug is wide open. Catch the timing. It's a quick kill.
Seriously? You, a natural who never touched a mech, is lecturing us? Look at this guy. A defective primitive is barking orders at us now?
The fight's not over yet. Beat Lynn first, then you can run your mouth.
He's never driven a mech before. How does he read the weaknesses of an elite bug this easily?
balance shifted. Right side, third jointer exposed. Weak point identified. Recommend locking on and waiting for strike window.
Yeah! The third joint! That's the weak spot!
No, it's a trap.
Shut up! Lynn finally got a shot! Yeah! Stop messing around! You don't even know how mechs work! You gonna take the blame if we lose?
Enough.
Damn it! It's a trap!
As agreed, all resource planets around Sky Prime belongs to the Hive now.
Alpha Resource Planet, report on the surface situation.
We're surrounded! The acid is eating through the building! Help!
No! No! Dad! Mom! Amy! Wait, Damien! You're gonna get yourself killed! But they killed my family!
Cocky little bastard.
How could they overlook such an obvious weakness? They're way too dependent on AI. I need to warn them. That thing's back kind of looks like a shrimp. There's even a shrimp line to cut.
The back. There's a thin line-like gap there. You'd miss it if you weren't looking carefully.
Don't rush. Hit its back. There's a thin line-like gap there. Laser right there. Now!
Yeah, that's why she's a fleet captain.
Laser right there. Now!
Good job, Lyra. Only you caught its real weak spot when it counted. That perception is beyond command skills.
Orion didn't just get lucky. He saw that weak spot from the very beginning. Is he really just an ordinary natural?
Rules are rules. You lost. Pull back for 10 years.
Rules. The strong do whatever the hell they want. Last one? That was 2 against 1. You wore our elite down before it lost. So it doesn't count. My rules.
Shameless! You bugs have no sense of honor!
Your next opponent is me.
We can't beat that thing. It's on a whole different level from the elite bugs.
I'll take this fight.
Dad, be careful.
You can't even survive 3 strikes.
Shut up, you worthless natural! Mr. Solari, our family head, is one of the top 3 pilots in the galaxy! Take off!
You're still banged up from Space Beast. You can't go. You can't beat that thing.
Mother, I'm captain of the Star Voyager, a Solari. I can't let Father go down.
Humanity can't lose again.
If I die today, at least I die fighting.
Critical hull breach. Cockpit pressure dropping. Cockpit pressure dropping.
This is your future. Despair. Hate. Death. You're nothing but meat, and will tear you apart, piece by piece.
Orion, this is it. If I don't do something, we're all dead.
This ring?
This is enough for me. Seeing you one last time.
I'll hold them off. Go. Survive.
Time's up, Solari girl.
No! Orion?
I'm a Solari too.
What the hell?
아래 링크를 클릭하여 전체 동영상을 시청하세요.